Today I'm gonna be doing so beautiful, simple and delicious recipe. That's bell pepper eggs. Ingredients we need: bell peppers, eggs, salt and pepper, and oil. First, I'm slicing the peppers into half-inch rings. Then take out all the seeds. If you don't cut the rings straight, your egg will leak out, so keep the knife as straight as you can to cut the bell pepper rings. Now I'm gonna crack the egg into a bowl, but if you prefer, you can break the eggs straight into the pepper rings. Now I'm adding some oil to the preheated pan over a low heat. Then place the bell peppers in. Now we start by pouring some of the egg white, allowing it to set for a few seconds. Then pour in the rest. If you pour in the whole egg in one go, your egg will leak out. So when you follow this way, it won't leak out. You will get nice bell pepper eggs. Now I'm gonna season with this salt and pepper, but if you prefer, you can use chili flakes as well. Then I'm gonna cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are done. What do you think? Isn't that beautiful? You can have these for breakfast, lunch, even at special occasions like parties. This is gonna take a few minutes to make and no preparation needed, and so simple. For well done eggs, simply you can flip it over and cook for another minute. I'm gonna try this now. I'm making this during the lockdown. If you have bell peppers and eggs at home, try this out and let me know what you think. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up.